Nerves truly are the body's electrical wiring, playing a critical role in how we move, feel, and interact with the world around us. They send signals zipping back and forth between the brain and every corner of our body, ensuring that everything from our heartbeat to our ability to read these words is seamlessly coordinated. Just like any sophisticated wiring system, our nervous system requires proper maintenance to function optimally. This is where the power of good nutrition comes into play. Maintaining this complex network isn't just about avoiding the bad stuff. It's equally about fueling up on the right nutrients that support nerve health and facilitate repair. Imagine if you could eat your way to a healthier nervous system. Well, certain foods act like premium fuel for your nerves, offering protection and aiding in the repair of damaged tissues. Today, we're exploring a selection of red foods that do just that. These aren't just any foods, they are vibrant, packed with flavor, and most importantly, loaded with nutrients that are allies in the fight to keep your nervous system running smoothly. Each of these red foods brings something special to the table. But why focus on red foods? The pigments that give these foods their eye-catching hues are often indicators of beneficial nutrients like antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can support nerve health. These components can help reduce inflammation, fight oxidative stress, and enhance blood flow, all of which are crucial for nerve repair and overall nervous system health. So let's dive into this palette of nourishing, delicious options and discover how they can contribute to a more vibrant, healthy you. Kicking off our list at number 8, we have red grapes. These small but mighty fruits are more than just a tasty snack. They're a powerhouse of nutrition, particularly when it comes to supporting nerve health. The secret within red grapes is resveratrol, a formidable antioxidant with impressive neuroprotective properties. This compound doesn't just stand guard against potential threats, it actively participates in the defense and repair of nerve cells. Resveratrol works by shielding the nerves from damage, such as that caused by oxidative stress and inflammation, two common culprits behind nerve degeneration. By countering these harmful processes, resveratrol not only protects the nerves, but also aids in their repair, making red grapes a valuable ally in maintaining a healthy nervous system. So whether you prefer to enjoy them fresh, popping them as a juicy snack, or adding them to salads for a touch of sweetness and a burst of color, red grapes can easily be incorporated into your daily diet. They can also be a delightful addition to cheese boards, providing a balance of flavors and a nutritional boost. Adding to our list at number 7, cherries, particularly tart varieties, emerge as both a treat for the palate and a boon for nerve health. These fruits stand out for their high concentrations of anthocyanins and vitamin C, antioxidants that have garnered attention in scientific studies for their ability to combat inflammation and oxidative stress, two significant threats to nerve health. The effectiveness of cherries in reducing inflammation and oxidative stress has been documented in research, such as a study published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition. This particular study underscored the advantages of tart cherry juice in alleviating muscle pain and inflammation. These findings can be extended to suggest potential benefits for nerve health, given the shared foundational processes of anti-inflammatory action and antioxidant defense. This anti-inflammatory quality is particularly crucial for individuals experiencing nerve pain or those in recovery from nerve damage. Nestled at number 6 on our list, we find pomegranates, a fruit that's as intriguing on the inside as it is on the outside. These jewels of nature are absolutely loaded with antioxidants, like punicalagins and ellagic acid. Now you might be asking, why does that matter? Well, these antioxidants are like the body's personal defense team, especially for your nervous system. They leap into action against free radicals, those pesky molecules that can wreak havoc on our cells, including the delicate nerve tissues. By fighting off this damage, pomegranates play a crucial role in keeping our nerves healthy and aiding in their repair. A study highlighted in the Journal of Nutritional Science and Vitaminology pointed out the neuroprotective effects of pomegranate. It found that these antioxidants don't just stand guard against potential threats, but actively engage in the repair and maintenance of nerve tissues. This means that pomegranates don't just offer a temporary shield, but help in the long-term resilience and health of nerve cells. So whether you're tossing them into a salad, sprinkling them over yogurt, or just enjoying them on their own, you're doing your body and specifically your nervous system a huge favor. Next on our list at number 5 are tomatoes. Did you know these bright, juicy items are actually fruits and not vegetables? They are rich in lycopene, an antioxidant that defends your nerve cells against damage and helps fix them up when they're hurt. But lycopene doesn't work alone. It's backed up by vitamins C and E, making sure your nerves are protected from all sides. Research published in the Journal of Neurological Sciences has shown us that antioxidants are really important for our nerves. They help fight off oxidative stress, a big bad guy when it comes to damaging our nerve cells. And here's where tomatoes, loaded with lycopene, step in to save the day, acting like personal bodyguards for your nerves. Now before you go and start eating tomatoes by the dozen, there's a little trick to making the most out of their benefits. Cooking tomatoes with a bit of healthy fat, like olive oil, helps your body absorb more lycopene. Why does this matter? Well, a study in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry found that fats help make lycopene more available to your body, making it easier for you to get all those good protective benefits. Moving on to number 4 in our countdown, we turn our attention to red bell peppers. These vegetables are not just visually appealing with their bright color, but are also rich in vitamin B6, a nutrient essential for nerve health. Vitamin B6 is crucial because it aids in the production of neurotransmitters, the messengers that allow nerve cells to communicate effectively with each other. This process is vital for maintaining a smoothly operating nervous system. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition highlighted the role of vitamin B6 in enhancing neurotransmitter synthesis, which in turn supports the health and function of the nervous system. This evidence supports the idea that consuming foods high in vitamin B6, like red bell peppers, can contribute to maintaining a healthy nervous system. Red bell peppers are incredibly versatile in the culinary world. They can be enjoyed raw, providing a crisp texture that complements the creaminess of hummus perfectly for a healthy and satisfying snack. When roasted, their sweetness intensifies, adding a delicious depth of flavor to various dishes. This versatility not only makes red bell peppers a delightful addition to your diet, but also an easy way to consume more vitamin B6. Next up at number 3, we have beets. These root vegetables are not just known for their deep red color, but also for their impressive nutritional profile. Beets are rich in betalains, pigments that not only give them their distinctive color, but also have anti-inflammatory properties. This is particularly beneficial for reducing pain and aiding in the repair of nerves, making beets a valuable food for maintaining a healthy nervous system. Beets are also packed with fiber, potassium, and magnesium, essential nutrients that contribute to overall health and well-being. Fiber is crucial for digestive health. Potassium helps regulate fluid balance and blood pressure, and magnesium supports muscle and nerve function. Together, these nutrients make beets a powerhouse for supporting bodily functions, including those of the nervous system. When it comes to enjoying beets, there's a variety of ways to include them in your diet. Roasting beets brings out their natural sweetness and earthy flavors, making them a perfect addition to salads or even smoothies. Their robust flavor pairs exceptionally well with the tanginess of citrus and the creamy texture of goat cheese, offering a delightful culinary experience. At number 2 in our countdown are strawberries, the sweet and vibrant berries known for their impressive health benefits. Strawberries are abundant in antioxidants, including a hefty dose of vitamin C, which is pivotal for tissue repair and inflammation reduction. These properties are particularly beneficial for nerve health, aiding in the healing and regeneration of nerve tissues. The role of vitamin C in promoting tissue repair and reducing inflammation has been well documented, with studies highlighting its significance in overall health and recovery processes. Moreover, strawberries play a crucial role in collagen production. collagen is essential for maintaining the integrity and function of various tissues, including those in the nervous system. The presence of vitamin C in strawberries enhances the body's ability to produce collagen, thereby supporting the repair and maintenance of nerve tissues. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition underscores the importance of vitamin C in collagen synthesis, and its broader implications for tissue health and recovery. Integrating strawberries into your diet offers a delicious and effective way to consume essential nutrients that support nerve health. They're a fantastic choice for breakfast or snack time, whether mixed into oatmeal, layered on top of yogurt, or savored on their own. The nutritional profile of strawberries, coupled with their role in supporting tissue health and reducing inflammation, highlights their value in a health-conscious diet. Topping our countdown at number 1 is watermelon, not only for its refreshing taste, but also for its significant health benefits, particularly regarding nerve repair. A standout feature of watermelon is its high L-citrulline content, an amino acid that plays a pivotal role in the body's healing mechanisms. L-citrulline is converted into L-arginine in the body, an essential precursor for nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide is crucial for enhancing blood flow, which is beneficial for nerve tissues, aiding in the swift healing and repair of any damage. A study published in the Nutrition Journal examined the effects of L-citrulline on blood flow and found that supplementation with L-citrulline improved arterial flexibility and blood flow. This is particularly relevant for nerve repair, as enhanced blood flow ensures that nutrients and oxygen are efficiently delivered to damaged nerve cells, facilitating their recovery. Watermelon isn't just beneficial for its L-citrulline content, it's also an excellent hydration source. Proper hydration is essential for maintaining optimal cell function, including the efficient delivery of nutrients to cells in need of repair, such as damaged nerve tissues. For a delicious and hydrating treat, blending watermelon with a squeeze of lime and mint offers a nutrient-packed refreshment, perfect for warm days. This simple preparation not only quenches your thirst but also supports nerve health. And that wraps up our journey through the 8 red foods for nerve repair. We've explored how red grapes, cherries, pomegranates, tomatoes, red bell peppers, beets, strawberries, and watermelon can not only brighten up your meals, but also provide crucial nutrients for nerve health and repair. Each of these red foods offers something unique to keep your nervous system in top shape. If you found this video informative and helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps us out. Also, consider subscribing to our channel for more health tips and nutritional tips like this one. We're always diving into how what you eat can impact your health in surprising and beneficial ways. Got any questions or your own tips on how to incorporate these red wonders into your diet? Drop us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. And if you think this video could help someone you know, share the love and knowledge. Don't miss out on any of our future videos. Click that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we upload new content. And if you really enjoyed this video, consider showing your support through Super Thanks. Every bit helps us to keep bringing you valuable and informative content. Thanks for watching, and here's to your health and happiness through good food.